Welcome back. Today I'm working on a housewarming present for a friend. I found this cute flowering succulent and thought it would be perfect. The pot it came in is just a hair under 9 inches wide and 6 inches tall. I looked on printables and found this cool origami flower pot. It's designed by Sassy Design. I went ahead and downloaded it. I put it into Tinkercad to see the overall size, which ended up being good because it didn't come with a hollow center. So I adjusted the size and created the center that I wanted. I got it loaded on the Prusa XL. This is the only machine that I have that could handle the size that I needed for this planter. Since it's going to be an indoor planter, I decided to go with PLA and a white filament because I thought it'd be the most neutral. Also, I find that white shows up a lot of imperfections easily, and I just wanted to see how this print would turn out. I used a 0.4 layer height and the standard XL 0.6 nozzle. For the size of this print, it took about 7.5 minutes from when I clicked print until it began to purge, and it was just over a 16-hour print. And the finished planter on the outside ended up being 10 inches in diameter and 6 inches tall. I started this off with a recording that I sped up. It's actually at 100 times. And then I went ahead and switched to time lapse. It's a little jerkier, but you get the overall picture, I think. I thought I might run out of filament, but it turns out it was closer than I thought. Those first few beeps that you hear are actually the noise that it makes to tell you that it's run out of filament. This time there was just a little bit of filament that I was able to easily grab. And swapping it out had no issues on this print, unlike the Benchy. This again takes about 30 seconds from when I load the filament until it starts to print again. Here is the completed planter. This one must have cooled enough, it popped off really easily. I really like how the design came out on this. To get the size I needed, I had to make it a little bit shorter and a little bit wider, but I really like how it turned out. And there along the top, you can see a tiny bit. If you know what you're looking for, you can see the filament change when the filament had run out, but it's very, very faint. Inside, I do see a little bit of ringing kind of consistently as it goes up. So I wonder if I maybe made the center a little bit too wide when I hollowed it out. You can see just a little bit of a design there. But it's very consistent and nobody's ever going to see it. I'm really happy with how this turned out. Let's see if the planter will fit. I was planning to replant it anyways, so I think that'll fit just right. Here it is all finished and planted. Now I just need to figure out how to gift wrap it. Thanks for watching.